Hey everyone, welcome back to Poseidwn Tech. It's been a long time. Life hit hard this summer and I needed a break. But I'm finally back and I'm excited to share new KNX content with you. Let's jump in. As you may have noticed, KNX secure devices are becoming much more common. Before you add one in ETS6, you will need to set a project password to make sure all the stored keys stay protected. However, this also means that every time you open your project, you have to enter the project password. The same applies when you want to add a tag to your project or access the project details. If you are working on just one project at a time, entering the password isn't a big deal. But if you spend many hours in ETS every day, it can get really annoying to type the project password over and over again. My biggest concern though is forgetting or losing one of my project passwords, which could mean I can't access or recover the project at all. That's why I decided to buy the Project Password Manager from KNX Association. First, visit my.knx.org and log in to your account. The Black Friday discount is still available until the 5th of September, so now is the perfect time to buy it. Click on Read More and copy the voucher code. Then go to Shop and select ETS apps. From the ETS Developer tab, choose KNX Association. Here is the Project Password Manager app. I'll add it to my cart. Before checking out, don't forget to apply the Black Friday voucher. Click Redeem and the 50% discount is applied. Now I'll click Checkout and proceed with the payment. There's no need to download the apps from KNX Association because they are already built into ETS, you only need to activate them. In ETS, go to Settings and then Licensing. Click on Add a license. The only app that isn't activated yet in my account is the Project Password Manager, so I'll select it and activate it. The app is now activated, so let's test it out. All my project passwords are now safely stored in my KNX account, and I can finally open my projects without typing the password every single time. Since the 50% discount is still active, I highly recommend getting the Extended Copy app as well. I already have a dedicated video about it on my channel, so feel free to check it out. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you find my tutorials helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the upcoming tutorials. Until then, happy KNXing and I'll see you in the next episode.